You've got to ensure that the trees are strong enough and also that there's not any deadfall above you, because if you pull it, a bit of broken branch comes down, it could take your face off. All right, but also, and people miss this is all my years as an infantry soldier, you've got to ensure that there's no heavy rocks underneath you. Although you're off the ground, if it was to go, then at least you know that you're not going to land on anything heavy, especially when you're lying flat on your back. Okay? It's this one or the other one. Okay, so this is the bottom part. And you got 2 carabiner clips here, okay? And spread apart. So I'm guessing you attach one end to these loops. Ted's busy eating that stick that I was going to use as a pointer. And then the other end. And depending on which gap you put on is depending on how tight it's going to get. So although this is a lay flat hammock, I think it's due to other straps. So making sure that you get it semi-taut. And then get the right height. Because this is, and you can't see, but it's on a bit of a slant. Because obviously when you put your whole weight on it, it's going to drop. So see if I can make this a little bit tighter. There we go. Okay. So there's this part done so far. Before I lie on it, I'm going to just put my weight through it, make sure. Not only can it take my weight, which it should do, but also I said it's not going to pull the trees in that way or just slide down the trees. Maybe I could do with getting it higher, but don't forget, you've got to get in the hammock. Right, let's go back to the instructions. Fix the 2 thicker aluminium poles on both sides of the hammock to the sleeves to make the hammock keep wide. Okay, so if you remember, I had 2 lots of poles, the thicker and the thinner ones. These are the thicker ones. Like nunchucks. Look at that. So there's my 2. We'll go to this end first. Be careful of the hound, doesn't eat them. There you go, it's too busy licking a tree. Okay, so just here, you've got some holes that it goes through, I'm guessing. So put them through here. This is going to be an end to put them in. Okay, oh, just here, you've got something to put it in, I think. This is the first time I've put it up. So, gonna be tight getting it in that hole. That's what she said. Put it in there, okay, so there you go. So that seems to be a bit sturdy, so we'll do the same on the other side. It's not that tall, but no doubt when you press down on it, it's going to stretch it out a bit. So they're in place. So it gives it a bit of structure, a bit of shape.